In Bastrop and Lee Counties, many households rely on groundwater for their water supply. Maybe you've just moved out to the countryside, escaping the hustle and bustle of city life. Or perhaps you've relied on a well for water most of your life. Either way, one thing's for sure. A well doesn't come with an owner's manual. Owning a water well is both a blessing and a responsibility. It's a reliable, natural water source, but it also needs proper care to keep the water clean, safe, and flowing. Whether you're a first-time well owner or your family has relied on one for generations, think of this as your unofficial well owner's guide. Because when it comes to water, a little know-how goes a long way. Now, let's talk maintenance. Regular checkups may seem like an extra cost, but it's far cheaper than facing costly emergency repairs later on. Routine inspections help catch small issues before they become major problems. Basic checkups should include testing for bacteria, checking the pump, and making sure the well cap is sealed tightly. These steps don't just save money. They keep your water safe and your well running smoothly. It may be tempting to fix problems yourself, but well systems are complex. Even small mistakes can cause damage or contamination. Hiring a licensed contractor with experience in well systems is crucial. Ask if your contractor is certified by the National Groundwater Association, NGWA. You can find certified local contractors on wellowner.org. Certified professionals have the expertise to keep your well safe and efficient. During maintenance, make sure your contractor covers the essentials, like water flow, pump performance, water levels, and water quality. Afterward, request a detailed report. Keeping records will help you monitor the condition of your well over time. The Lost Pines Groundwater Conservation District offers free water level and water quality testing to well owners. You can call us at 512-360-5088 to join our Well Watch program. It's free, easy to join, and could save you money in the long run. Have an old or unused well on your property? It's essential to seal it. Abandoned wells can become entry points for contaminants or pose physical hazards. Remember the case in 2020 in Starr County when a young boy fell into an abandoned well? We want to keep our community safe. If you suspect there's an old well or cistern on your property, look for clues like pipes, small buildings, or even old windmills. Have a professional contractor assess and seal it properly. If your well has been flooded, it's time for immediate action. Floodwater can bring in contaminants. Hire a contractor to clean the well and call us at Lost Pines GCD to test your water quality. Routine maintenance protects your water quality, keeps your well operating efficiently, and extends its life. Think of it like changing your car's oil. It keeps everything running smoothly. By following these simple tips and working with the Lost Pines GCD and licensed professionals, you can keep your well and your water working for you and your family for years to come.